February is where the year really takes shape. The reset phase is over, routines are settling in, and consumer intent sharpens, whether that's gathering with friends, celebrating relationships, or planning the next big moment on the calendar. And there's plenty happening on the sports front too. Winter warmers continue to perform, with audiences still leaning heavily into comfort foods like slow cooks and one-pot meals. It's a strong window for broths, sauces, spices, pantry staples, and products that make cold weather cooking easy and satisfying. Then comes the main event, the Super Bowl. This is the biggest food and snacking moment of the quarter. Wings, pizza, dips, chips, finger foods, and drinks dominate recipe pages, shopping lists, and deal content as households plan the game day spread. For food brands, this is about scale, frequency, and being present when lists are locked in. Right after, the mood shifts with Valentine's Day. Think indulgence and at-home celebration. Chocolates, desserts for two, premium ingredients, and date night recipes. It's a powerful moment for brands tied to gifting, sharing, and small but meaningful occasions. As we look ahead, March Madness planning starts to build. Grazing foods, easy snacks, shareable meals, and crowd-friendly formats begin trending early as fans prepare for weeks of game day viewing. Beyond February, planners are already lining up what's next. Easter brings baking, brunch menus, chocolates, and family meals back into focus. Cinco de Mayo follows with bold flavors, party foods, and celebratory occasions. Mother's Day shifts attention to thoughtful at-home meals, brunch, and gifting, while Memorial Day signals the transition to grilling season, meats, sides, sauces, and outdoor cooking content. All of these seasonal segments are powered by our food-focused contextual technology. Ingredients, occasions, cuisines, and shopping cues map to high-intent pages. They're ready for activation via programmatic deals or through our Managed Campaigns team. And we can also build custom segments around your brand, competitors, or specific audiences. To get started, talk to your Gourmet Ads account manager about activating February's seasonal segments and setting your campaigns up for continued momentum.